I'm Doug Woods, president of AMT, the Association for Manufacturing Technology from the United States. Really excited to be here at EMO in 2023. It's been quite some time since we've been here. It's been 4 years since we've had the event. And because of that, there's a lot of excitement as to what kinds of opportunities you're going to see here for finding manufacturing technology you need to drive your business. People come to events like this because they're looking for the latest productivity solutions. And of course, as you look around all the halls here, it's one of the bigger shows in the United States, outside of the United States and outside of Asia. This is one of the bigger events you'd come to. It's EMO. And so being able to walk around each hall and take a look, whether it's metrology equipment, software, things that are happening in robotics and automation, of course, certainly machine tools of every type and size, tooling, fixturing, pretty much everything you need to drive production facilities around the United States. And because it's been a while since people have been to some of these major events, you actually get a chance to see some new providers. Not only see new providers, you get a chance to see a lot of new types of technology being introduced. And so a lot of things have happened in the digital manufacturing space. And a lot of those ideas have now been implemented in the specific equipment. So now you can see some of the best ideas of what's happening in transformative technologies integrated into the solutions you'd find walking around the halls here at EMO. So I think not only do we know there's a lot of exhibitors here, over 1,800, a lot of square footage is actually being utilized. You're going to see a lot of new technology. So this is an exciting time that whether you are buying equipment, showing equipment, or just interested in technology, this is the event to be at.